Woo! Look at the cherries. They look so yummy. I love cherries, and cherries grow in clusters like these. Let's pull off a cluster and count how many cherries are in the cluster. Whoa! Okay, 1 cherry, 2 cherries, and 3 cherries. Okay, first thing you need to do is pull the cherries off of the tree. And then you put it in the bucket right here. And when the bucket is really full, like this, then we go to the bin and pour out the cherries. Whoa, there we go. Look at all those cherries. Look at all of these cherries! Now that the bins are full of cherries to the tippy top, now it's time for the tractor to load up the bins. Yum! These cherries look so tasty. And these cherries are the color red. Giant door! Whoa! Gotta lock up the back of the truck. Alright, now the truck is full of cherries. Now it's time for the truck to take it to the packing facility.